BigBear announced a strategic collaboration with defense firm DEFCON AI to transform force readiness and joint logistics capabilities. Yeah, DEFCON AI. Can't get more defense logistic than that. The partnership aims to co-develop advanced modeling, simulation, and data integration solutions to support contested logistics, joint force sustainment, and readiness assessments across the global defense enterprise. According to Kevin McAleenan, CEO of BigBear AI, the partnership reflects a strategic alignment of domain expertise and technology capabilities to deliver mission-focused solutions in core markets. The companies will work together to deliver scalable and integrable solutions to address pressing logistics and readiness challenges faced by the defense community. This includes tackling complex issues in tactical operations, such as those at the southwest border, and strategic campaigns in the Indo-Pacific region. The collaboration combines the strengths of BigBear AI and DEFCON AI in artificial intelligence, data integration, optimization, resilience, and mission-focused analytics. By fusing capabilities in joint force management, readiness analytics, logistics planning, transportation scenario analysis, and predictive analytics, the partnership aims to enhance situational awareness and deliver decision advantage across multi-domain operations. Yisroel Brumer, co-founder and CEO of DEFCON AI, emphasized that the partnership is a natural fit, enabling the companies to tackle challenges in integrating readiness and sustainment data. This will allow commanders to visualize, plan, and sustain operations in complex environments with unprecedented speed and accuracy. The partnership supports the future of force management and logistics transformation, reinforcing BigBear AI's growing footprint within the U.S. defense and intelligence community. BigBear AI is thriving in the domestic market with its advanced AI solutions, particularly in national security, driven by increased U.S. spending on travel, trade, and border security. The company's diversified portfolio of AI-based offerings, including PengIM threat detection, Veriscan, TrueFace, Pro Model AI, Conductor OS, and Shipyard.ai, gives it a competitive edge, leading to a 30% year-over-year increase in backlog to $384.9 million by the end of the first quarter, setting the stage for further growth potential. The company has made notable deployments of its AI solutions at several U.S. airports, such as Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport and Denver International Airport, to enhance operational efficiency, traveler experience, and security. Additionally, BigBear AI supported primary processing enhancements for arrivals at Los Angeles International Airport and the Port of Seattle. Looking ahead, the company is optimistic about domestic trends and is focusing on expanding into international markets. A significant step in this direction is BigBear AI's recent collaboration with Smith Detection, which will integrate its AI-powered threat detection products with Smith's Detection's X-ray security screening equipment. This partnership allows BigBear AI to tap into new global security markets, leveraging Smith's Detection's global footprint. While macro risks may pose near-term challenges, the company is expected to scale its strategic investments and robust market demand, boosting profitability prospects in the long term. The company has also been expanding its commercial footprint, applying AI to industries like healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and logistics.